Don't know if it's a boil or it's just a swelling. So I woke up today to this. Yeah, it actually started yesterday while I was on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Opeyemi's lifestyle again with you. So today I'm going to be telling you about this on my eye. I don't know if it's a boil or it's just a swelling. So I woke up today to this. Yeah, it actually started yesterday while I was on duty. And then I was feeling a pain in my eye. That is, when I blink and open my eye, I feel a pain in this eye. And then I asked my friend to help me assess my eye, and she noticed that there is a little swelling on my eye. When I got home, I used the mirror and I noticed also that, oh, there is actually a little swelling. It's not as big as this though. So I slept and woke up today, and then this is what I saw. It was bigger and more painful. So my instructor gave me a solution for this, so I'm sharing it with you guys because I love you guys. Just in case you are like me and you wake up one day and then there's a swelling on your eye. So she told me to boil a warm water. This is warm water here, and have a cotton bud or cotton wool, I mean to say. Then I'll dip the water into the cotton wool into the water, just a little bit like this. That's after I wash my face. I've washed my face with Safeguard. I used a new one just so there won't be any infection or something, but normally I use Safeguard to bath, but I just opened the new one just in case, and I let the face dry by itself. I didn't use a towel or nothing. So after this, I'm going to just place the warm cotton ball on the oh my goodness, on the eyes. Oh, okay, breathing. Oh my, it's warm, it's not hot, so please test this on your skin before you put it on your eyes, please. So oops, then I'm going to do this like several times. They said if I do this several times in a day, I think I'm going to be doing it 2 times in a day now, because this is the first time I'm trying it. So I'm going to do it tomorrow and do it in the morning and also at night when I want to sleep. That's what I'm going to do. And then it should be gone in days. That's what they said, but I was thinking to be gone in weeks because I was so scared. And because today's date is December 17, guys, this boy just came at the wrongest time. Like, how would I use a boil for my Christmas? Like, this boil is not, oh, forget that I'm just talking and being like this is painful. It's kind of not, I will not say painful as the pain of the boy, but oops, bro, it's hot. So I think I'm going to just be doing this daily, and then I'm going to show you guys the results when this boy get maybe when it's go down, when the swelling reduce, or when there is no visible swelling anymore. That's what I'm telling you guys. The date today is December 17, 2022. So I'm going to show you guys the finished when the boil is or when the swelling is no more visible and when the pain is gone. I'm going to be showing you guys. So I'm going to be doing this let's just say 7 days, because it should be gone in days, right? Not weeks. So 7 days. So guys, I'm going to see you guys again. I don't know if I should insert a picture as the update, or I'm going to make a video. Anyway, you are going to see the end results. I'm going to show you the end result, and I'm going to also be inserting the days. I don't know if my mind is telling me that when I wake up tomorrow it will be more swollen, and I'm so scared of that, because this swell is like there is a swelling there, but it's not quite visible. Like, well, it's visible but not as big as you know, there are some very bad boils, so I don't want it to be bigger than this, so that's why I'm just doing this. So tomorrow, hopefully, if I'm free, because tomorrow is Sunday, and you know how Sunday will be now, you'll be tired after church, you want to sleep and rest. So I hope I'm able to film tomorrow and then next tomorrow, and hopefully I'm just hoping that in 3 days this will be gone. But if it's not gone, I'm also going to show you guys. So see you guys on the updates, and thank you for liking this video, and thank you for subscribing. I love you guys. Bye. See you. Continue watching this video. So hi guys, yes, I know I didn't make some videos like to talk to you guys. So this is my eye now. Today's date, I'm using Snapchat so that the date is going to show. Today is actually Thursday. As at yesterday, which was 21 of December, I didn't see any boil again, so it actually worked. The wool in hot water worked so well, and this is it, my eye. So Merry Christmas to you all. Stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you'll be able to use this trick next time. Bye.